Hello and welcome back to another video. In this section we are going to talk about YouTube Studio. So in this video I am going to talk about YouTube dashboard. So I am going in my YouTube Studio. From the left side you can see there are many options available. Dashboard, content, analytics. We are going to discuss all of this one by one. So first I am going to discuss about our YouTube Studio dashboard. So you can see the latest video from here, latest video performance, how many views we get. So and the published video you can also see in here. You can see our current subscriber, how many subscriber we get, views and how many watch time we get from here, and our top video last 48 hours. You can only see this 3 video. If I go to channel analytics, then we can see every video, but I'm going to discuss about this in later videos, so don't worry about that. From here you can see the ideas for you make a channel trailer. So YouTube suggests me to create a trailer for my channel. You can also the creator insider, this week at YouTube, and YouTube fan funding and creator community. This type of video YouTube recommend in YouTube dashboard. From here you can see my latest comment and also my latest post and our recent subscriber. If I go to this first new in studio, then it's open a blog site. So it is actually blog. If you want to learn, then you can read this blog. So actually it is our YouTube dashboard. Next video we are going to talk about our content. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you learned something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.